Okay, so with all the hustle and bustling of getting my books delivered to me in Jamaica, I've tried quite a few shipping companies, and trust me, they say it's easy and effective and all of that. It was easy signing up for free online, but to get my packages, they were either lost, I didn't hear anything, I emailed them, nothing, and anything and all of that. But I found this one called Shop and Relax, and trust me, trust me, it's really good. Shop and Relax. I don't have to worry about my packages coming damaged or anything, any delay of any sort, because I've experienced that as well. And it's just easy. It's just easy. You're updated on your packages before they come. Uh, it's easy and effective. It's the best. It's the best. Shop and Relax. Trust me. Trust me. It's my best friend.